Okay. Hello, teacher. Good morning. It's Bright Logistic Overcoming Challenge, Rebuilding Excellence. It consists of three parts. First, problem and worry. Second, strategy and hope. Third, renewal and commitment. The character is James. It's about Ricardo Margos, my person. Michael, it's Jherson Pardo. Okay, start.
Mi- Michael, this situation is very concerning. We should have anticipated these delays before they escalate. If we had communicated more efficient with customers, we would have avoided many late shipments.
I completely agree, James. I think if we had hired a constant coordination 6 months ago, we would be in this position today. We should seriously consider aiding that rule immediately.
Absolutely. If we don't account now, the damage to our reputation will become irreversible. Our clients expect presentation and reliability, and we should deliver exactly that. We could have prevented this issue by setting stricter deadlines internally.
And you're right. Another major factor is transportation scheduling. If the trucks had left early, they would have arrived at the hour before the custom cut off. We must rework our inter-scheduling process.
Yes, and I believe if you implement a real-time tracking system, we will be able to monitor delays before they affect the whole chain. It should have been done months ago.
Also, if we trained our team better on international compliance, many of these errors would happen in the first place. Maybe we should organize a mandatory training program next month.
That's a very good point. If we don't improve our compliance knowledge now, it might cost us even more in penalties later.
Exactly. And if clients decide to cancel their contracts because of these mistakes, rebuilding those relationships will take years. We should act faster than we ever have. Second part,
Eh,
start.
el narrador y luego empieza a hablar Michael.
Okay, okay. Uh, after in defini after in the identifying the root cause of the recent dailies, James and Michael began to brainstorm immediately correct actions. Their goal is not only to fix the current problems, but also to create a more resilient logistics system for the future. Michael. James, I've been thinking if we hire an experienced custom broker, we will have direct support on documentation and clearances. Uh, it it would have saved us a lot of penal penalties if we have done it early.
That's an excellent idea. Also, if we partner with more reliable tracking company, we will reduce our risk significantly. We should have reviewed our transport contact tracks months ago.
True, and honestly, if we keep working with the current transporter, we might face even worse delays delays in the future. They simply don't meet international shipping standards.
Exactly. We should start negotiation with new transport providers immediately. If we sign a better agreement by next month, the next high season will be much safer for us.
Agreed. Another point, if we install GPS tracking this device on off shipment, clients will be able to monitor their cargo themselves. This transparency should rebuild trust quickly.
Yes, and transparency is critical now. If our clients see that we are investing in solutions, they will be much more patient with us during this transition.
Absolutely. Also, we should develop a contingency plan if a shipping gets delayed for any reason. We must have backup solution ready, alternative ship lines, emergency code storage, faster custom brokers.
That's vital. If we had a contingency plan last month, the damaged goods would have been saved and we wouldn't have lost two major clients.
Exactly, James. We must move from reacting to preventing. If we continue uh, with the old system, the company will suffer even bigger losses in the next 6 months.
No, that about it. If we don't fix this within the next quarter, our competitors will take a huge portion of our market share. Luego la parte del narrador. Y
Okay.
that's a
Sí,
brilliant idea. Clients must feel the change, not just hear about it. Y that's a
sí.
brilliant idea. Clients must. Michael, based on everything we've discussed, it's clear that we must act immediately. If we implement all these measures now, the company will recover stronger than ever.
I fully agree, James. Honestly, if we had had uh, this level of focus earlier, we would have avoided these setbacks. But it's not late. We should use the opportunity to rebuild with even more strength.
Exactly. If we stay committed and monitor progress closely, we'll achieve not only recovery but growth beyond expectations.
James, I propose that we draft an official action plan by the end of today. If we finalize it now, we, we will have a solid foundation to start exau- ex, ex, executing tomorrow morning.
Agreed. Please make it official. I will prepare a memorandum of accounts listing all points. Hiring a customs broker, chain transport providers, installing DGP systems, training the team, and creating a contingency plan. We must have everyone's signature by the end of the week.
Perfect. If we complete our implementation within the next 90 days, we will send a formal communication to our clients, presenting Bright Logistics as a reform and more efficient partner.
That's a brilliant idea. Clients must feel like crunch, not just hear about it.
Exactly. Let's make it official right now. And
Thanks.
finally, uh, narrator. And so, with apparent handshake and signing agreement, Jason Michael saved the foundation. For Bright Logistic coming back, it is not the problems that define the company, but the courage and determination which with from which it overcome them. The first step toward a better future has now been taken. Thank you, teacher.
Thanks, teacher.